Hey there. Experiencing issues with your Toshiba TV's backlight? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many TV owners face the same problem and wonder how to fix Toshiba TV backlight issues effectively. The backlight is an essential component that ensures you see clear, vibrant images on your screen. Without it, your viewing experience becomes dim and disappointing. In this guide, I'll walk you through different methods to resolve backlight problems and get your TV back in full working order. Step 1. Diagnose the issue. Before diving into fixing the backlight, it's crucial to diagnose the root of the problem properly. Start by turning off the TV and unplugging it. Give it a few minutes, then turn it back on. If the backlight still doesn't work, shine a flashlight on the screen while the TV is on. If you can see faint images, your backlight is indeed the problem. Other signs include flickering or uneven lighting. Identifying these symptoms early will help in finding the right solution efficiently. Step 2. Check power sources. Sometimes the issue isn't with the backlight itself, but with your power inconsistencies. Make sure your TV is connected to a reliable power source. Double check all cables and connections for any signs of damage or loose fitting. You can also try plugging the TV into a different outlet to rule out any outlet-specific issues. If the backlight issue resolves after this step, you've found a quick and easy fix. Always ensure your power strip or surge protector is functioning correctly as well. Step 3. Adjust TV settings. If the backlight remains problematic, your TV settings might be contributing to the issue. Go to the TV's menu and navigate to the settings related to brightness and contrast. Sometimes reducing the contrast or adjusting the backlight settings might help. Toshiba TVs often have an ambient light sensor, which adjusts the backlight according to room lighting. If this feature is malfunctioning, try disabling it to see if the backlight improves. These tweaks might resolve software-related backlight problems. Step 4. Inspect and replace faulty components. If the above steps don't solve the issue, it may be time to look inside your TV. This process involves more technical know-how, so proceed with caution. Begin by unplugging your TV and laying it face down on a soft surface. Carefully remove the back panel. Once open, and if you're comfortable, inspect the LED strips or CCFL tubes for any visible damage or burnout sections. Replacing faulty components requires buying the correct model-specific parts and using appropriate tools. If you're unsure, consulting a professional repair service is recommended to avoid further damage. Step 5. Consider professional repair or replacement. If you've tried all the DIY options and your Toshiba TV's backlight still isn't functioning, it might be time to call in a professional. Many repair shops specialize in TV repairs and can provide a more in-depth diagnostic and repair service. If your TV is still under warranty, check with Toshiba or your retailer for repair or replacement options. Sometimes, if repair costs are high, considering a new TV might be the most economical choice in the long run. And there you have it. Several practical steps on how to fix Toshiba TV backlight issues. By diagnosing the problem, checking power sources, adjusting settings, inspecting components, or seeking professional help, you can resolve most backlight problems. Remember, backlight issues can often be corrected with a bit of patience and precision. Whether you're handling it yourself or hiring experts, getting your TV back to full brightness is within reach. Happy viewing, and don't let a dim screen keep you in the dark.